Alright, so in this videos, I will share new theme again. Make sure subscribe. And let's get started. Alright, this is the lock screen. As the name of the theme is Xiaomi Mi 11T, so the lock screen is similar, and at the top there's a clock, the name of the day, month. Basically the lock screen section is similar, especially if your device is still using ColorOS 7. Okay, that's the lock screen. Next we see the home screen. This is the home screen. A lot has changed starting from the app icon. Button navigation change. Signal and battery icon change too. Panel notification like this. In this part of the phone, only the numbers on the numpad change. Other than that it doesn't exist because it's the same as using a white background. In the message section only the profile photo changes, also in the conversation bubble section. In the settings section, the icons on the edges have also changed. And for the background use white color to make it look simple and similar. File icon full change. Okay, that's the theme this time. As usual this theme is only available for Oppo ColorOS 7 and 11, also realme a 1.0, realme a 2.0. Link download in the description. Don't forget the password is in the video, and don't ask again in the comments column. Please read the description carefully. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you.